Hello traders, welcome to my channel. Today I am showing here one important pattern of binary option. Yes, this is very important pattern of binary option, and how it's work, how to recognize this type of pattern, and what is the main concept we have to recognize to make profit with this pattern. Today I am explaining all here. So this is tweezers top pattern. Yes, I am drawing here how we recognize and how it's work in real market. I am explaining here. I am drawing here. Suppose this is uptrend here. Suppose this is uptrend. Market is going up. Market is going up. Uptrend market. Sometimes we found bearish candles too. I am showing here the total scenario of this type of pattern. Okay, and the market again go up. Again go up. So suddenly we found a rejection from certain level, and after this candle we also found another candle. I am drawing here. Also found a red candle. The shape of this red candle is different one, different place, different shape, but the we have to recognize, we have to realize the main concept of this pattern. This is the rejection, and this is also the rejection. So these two rejections we have to know from where the rejection come in these two candles. So it may be a strong SNR level. This can be SNR level. This can be a round number, and major key level. This is a major key level. The rejection come from the major key level. We have to know it very well that these two rejection comes from this major level, like SNR level, strong SNR level, round number. So after that, this type of situation, if the market is a ranging market, next candle obviously go down. Next candle obviously go down. So this is the concept of this type of tweezers top pattern. We found in these two candles in different shape, but we have to observe very carefully the two rejection. This type of two rejection came from a strong SNR level, strong SNR level, previous strong SNR level. Just we have to check it. So I am showing here the shape of this type of patterns. So this bullish one, this one, this bearish one, can be like this one. So it's also have lower wicks, same size or little bit long from this level. We have to just adjust it. And we have to follow this rejection area. So it can be this is green one, and this is red one. Oh no. I'm drawing here, and this is red one, and this like this one. I am showing here. Yes, the almost same size. Sometimes it's a little bit high, sometimes it's little bit high, sometimes it's little bit low, sometimes it's little bit low. But we have to know the main concept. Main concept is what? Main concept is these two rejection is from one strong key level, one strong SNR level, one strong round number. Okay, this also have wicks below like this one. So it can be, I'm drawing here, it can be like this one, it's so many shape we can found in the market, like this one or this one. Okay, like this one. The rejection from almost same level. Okay, so like this one. So there are different shapes. Just we have to know from where this rejection come in these two candles. If these rejections are from a strong key level, strong S1 level, so next candle obviously goes down. It's more than 90% accurate strategy and accurate pattern in binary option. So I also explain it in real market how to recognize, then it will be more clear. So let's go to the real market. So this is euro USD pair, and we have to search, we have to search this type of pattern. I am searching here this type of pattern. Yes, this one. Observe very carefully these two candles. What happened? Rejection from same level. Rejection from same level. And the candle didn't cross this wick also, exactly close this level. So we have to search from which level the rejection came in these two candles. So I am checking this and checking. Yes, this is a strong SNR level. Support, resistance. So strong SNR level. So the rejection come from this strong SNR level, and next candlestick goes down. It's just more profitable concept of binary option. So I am showing, yes, this one. We have to observe from where the rejection come. If we observe, this is a round number. The number is 117100. This is a round number. This round number, and the width is same size. Yes, this way. What happened? Next candlestick goes down. I'm showing another example here. This one. This is a little bit higher, so I am showing here accurately. This is round number, and if we check the previous history, so what we found? Yes, this is the scenario. This is strong SNR level, resistance, support, resistance. So SNR level. This candlestick goes down. Okay. Yes, this one. So we have to check the level. Yes, this resistance level, and yes, it's a strong SNR level. Resistance, support. So it's strong SNR level. So next candlestick goes down. What happened? Next candlestick goes down. So it's happened again and again. It's a high profitable setup. It's more accurate. We can rely on this type of setup. Yes, this one. The rejection came from the same level. So what is the level? Yes, this one. SNR level. Strong SNR level. So what happened after the rejection? The market goes down. Yes, this is the actual concept of this type of tweezer stock pattern. So practice on it, and it will be a very profitable setup of every trader. So thank you for watching my videos.